Let's move to the next chapter in the GCSE Physics, Energy Transfer by Heating. We will start with energy transfer by conduction. Thermal conduction is the transfer of thermal or heat energy through a substance without the substance itself moving. For example, metal skewers allow heat to be transferred to parts that are away from the heat. This is what we call conduction. Now, if you were to pick up the pan below using its handle, you would probably burn yourself. This is because the handle on the pan has become very hot. How does this happen, since the handle is not actually in contact with the source of heat? Well, the explanation is that heat has been transferred by conduction from the base of the pan up to the sides to the handle. Testing for conduction. The experiment below is used for comparing the conduction of different materials. Rods of different materials are placed in a Bunsen burner or flame. The rail is stuck to the end of each rod with wax. Once heat has been conducted, at the end of the rod, the wax melts and the nail falls off. Here we have a timer. We chose the material copper at first. When we apply heat, we will see that it took 8 seconds for the nail to fall off. So the answer is 8 seconds. Now let's change the material and try aluminium. Apply heat, the nail falls off after 12 seconds. So the answer is 12 seconds. Now we will change the material to steel and apply heat. We will notice that it took the nail 50 seconds to fall off. Now if we change it to glass and apply heat, it will take 14 minutes, as you can see, to fall off. So which material conducts the heat best? So copper took the least amount of time to conduct heat. Which material is the worst conductor of heat? Glass took 14 minutes to fall off, so it's the worst conductor. In conclusion, there is no movement of material. The molecules at the hot end of the copper rod move around quickly. They have a lot of energy. They pass the movement on to the neighboring molecules. This is how heat is conducted along a material.